Hi guys, we're back. Friday, last day of the trading week. We got the Audnzd here. I feel that I owe you some update with regard to what happened in over the last few days. We started with a bearish position probably about a week ago. Just to remind you, we were following up with this blue system here when we saw there was a first leg and a second leg, and we were expecting the third leg. That was the first technical element. The second technical element was the fact that we had a massive head and shoulders pattern here. Take a look at that head in the middle, followed by, triple shoulder on the right. So we had double shoulder on the left, triple shoulder on the right, really messy head and shoulders, but the implications are the same, which means a downside reversal. And the third time here, when we noticed that price was coming back and closing back below 109.52, that was our cue, and that's where I took action and I established a bearish position. Very quickly, it hit the first price target at 108.15. I closed half of the position at that point, and I wanted to, to wait a little bit and see whether price can actually break that level on the following day. What happened was it started on the downside, but take a look, it left a second spike here and ended up on a positive note. I was actually quite concerned at that point, so I completely closed out the position. I went for a different opportunity, for a different position, but right now I've decided to re-establish the same short position that I closed out. So we took profit, and right now I want to continue with this move because I feel that there was a very important event taking place yesterday. So let me walk you through. Obviously, price met that strong support, right? That's the bottom key level of the black system, right? 108.15. Also, the 200-day moving average changed direction on the local price section and went straight to this 108.82. Remember this level? This was a strong one. This is a very important key level. The fact that it was unable to break through just spiked it, and you can see what happened, right? Just bounced off very quickly. Suggests that this resistance here is going to hold. So price was just testing it from below, but it's on its way downwards. That's how I read this technical picture right now. So and it's pretty much around the same level I closed out the position just a couple of days ago. So we're back in. We're going to try to continue the same move we started. We took half of it. Half of the move basically is already in the pocket. Now I want to take the rest of it all the way to 107.22. That's the safest spot you can aim for, right? 107.22. But in this case, I actually I'm going to aim at a lower price level than this one, 107.22. I'm going to aim at the previous low this time. So I'm probably going to use 107.22 as an important secondary target for partial execution, but eventually I'm going to try to chase price all the way to the previous low, 106.50. That is our final destination. Now, I have no doubt we still need to overcome that 108.15, which had proven to be a stiff support. But I feel that the next attempt, which we're going to probably see today, could be successful today, or maybe Monday next week. So we'll see. But it should be interesting. It looks pretty promising on the downside. So we're picking up from where we left. That's about that for this one. See you in the next video.